I see you looking up these dry hills, wondering when the clouds will come back home. Your grandmother's stories echo and go in my mind about the old ways we used to know. But I remember what she taught us both, in the language that connects us to this earth. Diyin do naho to you, Niko be nahasali, Kiabi hozo nahasali, Ni masani bi daho hoil. You pointed where the river used to run. Your eyes hold questions I wish I could answer. The corn your mother planted last spring still waits for water from above. But I remember what she taught us both, in the language that connects us to this earth. Diyin do naho di, Niko be nahasali, Kiabi hozo nazili, Ni masani daho will. I know you're feeling like the Creator's forgotten His place, like the prayers we send up just disappear into space. But my grandfather told me, when the earth gets real thirsty, that's when the rain comes hardest, that's when it's most worthy. See, the Creator don't work on our timeline, friend. Sometimes the blessing comes right before we think it's the end. I seen the clouds gather when hope was running thin, seen the sky open up and let the healing begin. You gotta trust in the process, trust in the plan. And every single time the rain came back for more, so keep your eyes on the sky, keep your heart open wide. The water's coming down from the other side. Yesterday I felt something shifting in the wind, a coolness that reminded me of home.